हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है वापस आप सभी का इस नए वीडियो में। मैं हूं अंकित पाठक, आप देख रहे हो मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल। आप जानते हो कि मैं काफ़ी टाइम से ऑनलाइन आया नहीं हूं एंड देयर इज़ अ रीज़न फॉर इट। बेसिकली आई वाज बिजी विथ मूविंग अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग वाज हैपनिंग। I was already in Faguara, Logate, Elpure, okay. And what happened is actually that I had to move back to my house, my town in West Bengal, and that's because my internship got completed. It was a 6 month internship online, and so I had to go back to my house. And I was not even a month at my house, and I got an information that I was placed in a company in Amritsar. So then just like that I had to come back to Amritsar. और अभी अमृतसर में I have been placed for about nearly a month, half a month, and so it's a daily 9 to 6:30 of work, and it's a lot of work. So I have been quite busy. प्लस आइडिया नहीं आ रहे थे क्या कंटेंट बनाया जाए. सो इफ़ यू गाइस हैव एनी आइडियाज़ एंड प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में कर दो कमेंट्स, and hopefully we can just start creating the videos again. So that's it for this video. It was an update video, and you guys can comment in the comment section किस टाइप के वीडियोस, किस चीज़ पे वीडियोस आपको चाहिए. Hopefully some education related content, some placement related content and all those stuff. And that's it for this video. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Have a great night or day.